Well, it's interesting how law school has a tendency to knock off rough edges. The skills people developed and coupled with their character has made it possible for them to play an important role in their community. You know, I do believe that there is very good raw material that goes into the BYU Law School, but I do think that there is something about the training that assists those people to develop skills where they can be of even greater assistance. You know, I remember, for example, in the law school, you know, people who had maybe grown up in Utah and thought they would live here forever, and because they couldn't find a job in Utah, they were forced to move someplace else. And to see how they had blossomed where they were planted. A person I remember was Dennis Poole, who grew up in Provo, loved Provo, thought he'd never leave Provo, couldn't get a job here. Got a job in the Portland area. I went, you know, on a law society, organizing a chapter of the law society, and I saw him in his new home. We would just be walking around and people would stop him. "Oh, President Poole, how are you?" And it was so apparent how much he had affected the lives of people. And the skills that he had developed in law school had helped him as a leader in his community. To see glimpses you had of really honorable, upright men and women, and then to see them over the course of time with their legal education become, you know, judges and mayors and general authorities, and you hearken back, you know, you kind of age back and you think I could see that in that person, you know, even as a young person going to law school.